Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the rim and bracket are safe to work on. You need clean threads and intact welds. Once done, gather the net, the specific 3-bolt kit, washers, and a wrench, and position a ladder centered beneath the hoop. Make sure to have an assistant to steady the ladder. This speeds the job and prevents torque on the rim. Then remove the old net by untwisting each loop so the hooks are clear. This prepares the rim for the new attachment. You now route the net loops onto the rim hooks, aligning each of the 12 loops so the load distributes evenly. Once aligned, place washers and start each bolt finger-tight to hold everything in place. This prevents cross-threading. Then, using a wrench, torque bolts incrementally to the manufacturer's spec so the rim stays true without warping. While tightening, inspect the breakaway spring or drop mechanism for corrosion or excess play, because a compromised spring changes hoop response and increases. You finish by lowering the ladder, stepping back, and giving the rim a gentle spin to confirm the net hangs straight and no bolts obstruct movement. Once done, play for a short session and then recheck bolt torque after 24 hours. New nets often settle and need retightening. If you experience wobble, loosen the opposing bolt slightly, realign the mounting bracket so the rim sits level, and then retorque all bolts evenly. This corrects misalignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.